Have you ever had that feeling, that little pang of regret, thinking you've completely missed the boat on YouTube? Well, I'm here to tell you that the ship hasn't just sailed. A whole new fleet is getting ready to launch in 2026, and you're going to want a ticket. And that right there is the heart of what we're talking about. This idea of the perfect time, it's a myth. The real right time is when opportunity and your readiness meet. And trust me, in 2026, a perfect storm is brewing that's going to make it easier than ever to build something that lasts online. I know what you're thinking, because it's the number one question I hear from everyone. Isn't it too late? The platform feels massive, crowded, maybe even a little intimidating, right? It seems like all the big names are already carved in stone. But is that actually true? Okay, let's just tackle that fear head on. Let's talk about the first big idea, the saturation myth. This is the ghost in the machine that's been scaring off amazing creators for years. Well, we're about to flip on the lights. Here's the secret most people just don't get. YouTube is basically a graveyard of channels that people gave up on. Millions of people upload a video or two, but the ones who consistently show up, they're a tiny, dedicated tribe. The platform is literally built to reward the marathon runners, not the sprinters. I mean, just look at this. On one side, you have this absolute tidal wave of new viewers joining YouTube every single year. And on the other, you have this tiny little stream of creators who stick with it. You see that massive gap between the two? That's not saturation. That's a vacuum. That's your future audience, just waiting. And please forget the myth that you need millions of subscribers to succeed. The whole creator economy has shown us that having a small, passionate community, just 1,000 true fans, can be way more valuable than 1 million casual viewers. We're not just talking about a business. We're talking about a life-changing connection. So, we've busted the saturation myth, but what about the other huge hurdle? The cost, the gear, the technical skills. Well, get ready to meet your new production crew. They work 24/7, they're super affordable, and they're powered by AI. This right here just lays it all out, doesn't it? The old way meant you needed expensive cameras, you had to hire editors, maybe even rent studio space. But the 2026 way, AI can generate stunning visuals, edit your videos, even create a professional voiceover from your script in seconds. The barrier to entry, it's practically gone. This is the real game changer. Seriously, let that sink in. The technology is no longer the gatekeeper. Your ideas, your unique perspective, your voice, that's what matters now. If you have something valuable to share, you now have all the tools you need to share it beautifully. But look, this isn't just about making things easier. It's about creating something that actually grows in value over time. We're not just making disposable content, we're building digital real estate. I absolutely love this concept of a digital employee. Think about it. An Instagram story disappears in 24 hours. A TikTok trend is forgotten in a week. But a good YouTube video? It's like an employee who never sleeps, never takes a vacation, and works around the clock, 24/7, to bring you views, income, and credibility for years and years. And this timeline shows you exactly how that value compounds. A great video doesn't just spike and then die. No, it builds momentum. It gets discovered by new people year after year, becoming this evergreen asset that keeps working for you long after you hit publish. It's an investment, not just a post. And speaking of earning, let's bust the biggest misconception of them all, that YouTube is all about ad revenue. That's like thinking a restaurant only makes money from selling water. The real feast is somewhere else entirely. Okay, check this out. See that tiny little slice for ad revenue? For almost every successful creator, that's just the tip of the iceberg. The real money is in building a business around your content. We're talking affiliate deals for products you actually use and love, brand partnerships, and especially those huge slices, your own products, your own courses, your own services. Your YouTube channel isn't the business. It's the front door to your business. So this is what it all boils down to. You're not just a video maker. You're a brand builder. Every single video is another brick in the foundation of a business that you own, that you control, and that isn't dependent on any one platform's crazy algorithm. And what holds all of this up? The content, the business, the whole shebang? It's all built on one single foundation. The most valuable currency in the entire digital world isn't views or subscribers, it's trust. You know how it is. We are bombarded with ads all day long, and we've gotten really good at just tuning them out. But we listen to people. We connect with people. We trust faces. A YouTube channel is probably the most powerful trust-building machine ever invented.
And the best part? Building that trust is way simpler than you think. You don't need to be a celebrity, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be two things. One, be useful, solve a problem, teach something, provide real value. And two, be honest, just be yourself. That's it. That's the whole formula. Okay, so the opportunity is clearly there. The tools are there, the business model makes sense. But what on earth would you even talk about? Let's tackle that final crucial question. Seriously, there is an audience for everything. There's a channel with millions of views that's just about restoring old, rusty tools. Another one that's all about farming in a small backyard. If you're passionate and knowledgeable about it, I promise you, there's a tribe of people out there waiting to find you. So here is the key, the one piece of strategy to take away. Stop trying to chase what's viral this week. Instead, focus on solving one small specific problem for a specific group of people. If your content genuinely helps someone, you will build an audience. It's really that simple. So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one simple reality. Time is going to pass no matter what. The year 2026 will arrive and then it will be gone, whether you decide to press that record button or not. And that really just leaves you with one powerful question to ask yourself. In a few years, are you still going to be on the sidelines watching other people build their dreams online? Or are you going to be one of the people building your own? Look, your first video won't be your best one. Your first thumbnail will probably be terrible, and that's okay. It's more than okay, it's required. The only way to ever get to your best video is to get through your first one. So please, embrace the imperfection, pick one small idea, and just start. The future is waiting.